Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC is having internet connection problems such as limited connectivity, websites not loading, or an incorrect IP address, releasing and renewing your IP address can sometimes help resolve the issue. In this video, I will show you how to release and renew your IP address in Windows 11 and Windows 10 using command prompt. So let's get started. First, click the start button and type here command prompt or CMD. In the search results, right click on the command prompt, select run as administrator. When the user account control prompts, click yes. Now to release your current IP address, type the following command: ipconfig /release and then press enter. Windows will now release the IP address currently assigned to your network adapter. You may temporarily lose your internet connection. Don't worry, this is normal. Next, we need to request a new IP address from your network's DHCP server. So type the following command: ipconfig /renew. After that, press enter. Windows will now contact the DHCP server and request a new IP address. Once the process is complete, you should see an IP address assigned to your network adapter. To verify your current IP address, type ipconfig and then press enter. Now look for IPv4 or v6 address. Under your active network adapter such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. That's it. You have successfully released and renewed the IP address on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. This method can be useful when troubleshooting certain network connection problems, particularly when your PC has received an incorrect or unusable IP address from your router or DHCP server. If releasing and renewing the IP address does not solve the problem, you can try other network troubleshooting methods such as flushing the DNS cache, resetting the network adapter, or resetting Windows network settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GearUpWindows and click the bell icon for more Windows 11 and Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.